Hello. All right, back for another renovation. Actually, this has been a long time coming. We have started renovating the main bathroom, and we weren't originally going to do it, but then when my grandparents came and helped us put in the bathroom upstairs, we decided we would do this bathroom as well, and they were going to come and help us. So, super excited about that. But it's taken me a while to get on and explain why this has taken so long. I think we started demo in like March or April, because we originally had planned on starting way earlier. But COVID and everything kind of had a mind of its own and kind of changed all the plans and everything. So we are finally moving forward on the bathroom. Unfortunately, my grandparents were going to be helping us, and my grandma is still going to be coming to help us, and my mom's going to be coming with her. But unfortunately, my grandpa cannot come because he got COVID recently and passed. So we at least have their work from the bathroom upstairs. So we're super blessed and excited that we got to have that time with them and they got to be able to spend that time here. But my grandma and my mom will be coming in soon to help us renovate the bathroom down here. And now we're just kind of trying to get as much done as we possibly can, and they're gonna help us when they get here in the coming weeks to kind of finish off some pieces. So yeah, it's been a long time coming, but we're moving forward. We're gonna do it, and yeah. So this one's for you, Grandpa. Wish us luck. All right, this is where we are with the bathroom. And I'm gonna go through and work on getting the rest of this wallpaper off the walls, trying to salvage these so we can just paint them. And then this side is all gonna be taken out eventually. So I'm not gonna worry about taking the wallpaper off on this little corner. All right, so this time I'm gonna try and use some of my steamer to warm up the wall and see if I can get some of the paper off, because it seems like the wallpaper's coming off in two parts, and I need to get like the brown backing off. So I'm gonna try the steamer and a little bit of this spray as well if I need it.